There are thousands and thousands of courses and softwares out there. Done for you pages here, push button softwares there, blogging, content creation, launch jacking, you name it, you've probably seen it. But you know, at the end of the day, making money online really comes down to just one word: traffic. If you have got an endless supply of traffic to your offers, then regardless of whether you're a brilliant marketer or even a not really very good one, eventually you are going to start making money. You see, traffic is so important to making money online that it should never be treated just as an afterthought. It is the lifeblood of what we do in this industry. That's why I've spent most of the past year endlessly seeking out new sources of unending free buyer traffic. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and today, along with my launch partner Paul Talent, I'm back with my best traffic product yet, Winter Traffic. With this new release, you will get to place any URL of your choice in any niche on my brand new traffic rotator, with a completely new traffic source that I discovered at the start of 2022. Almost no one, and I mean no one, is using this source in internet and affiliate marketing, and the traffic is incredibly powerful. All you need is 60 seconds of your time to get set up. This brand new traffic rotator is currently sitting empty, so the first people to act fast and jump on Winter Traffic as soon as it's launched will enjoy up to 10 times the amount of traffic that people will get who join later. So you really need to take fast action on this one. Every day you leave it, you are literally leaving money on the table. But that's just half the story. Not only will you get your link placed on my brand new rotator, but you will also get to place it on all 5 of my traffic rotators launched in 2021 as well. That's right, your link on 6 different rotators for free daily traffic. Or you can place a different URL on each and every rotator. It's entirely up to you. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Winter Traffic right away. Make sure that your link is one of the first to be added to the brand new rotator. Step 2. Submit your URL in under 60 seconds. And step 3. Sit back and relax as you enjoy free daily traffic forever. But don't delay. If you come back later, you will pay more, and every day that passes will see more people ahead of you on our brand new rotator. So make this the moment that you solve all of your traffic problems in under a minute. Pick up Winter Traffic today and we'll see you on the inside.